Although it is snowing over here since night, but the roads and the sidewalks are kept ice free. Now this is done with a very basic science which we all have studied in our class 9th or 10th, that is called depression in freezing point. And this is a colligative property, and you can see that colligative property in action over here. Water generally freezes at 0 degrees Celsius or a temperature little below that. But if you add salts like sodium chloride or calcium chloride to it, it creates a depression in its freezing point, and now the apparent freezing point becomes below 0 degrees Celsius. So a temperature close to -5 or -6, depending upon the salt which you use, that becomes the new freezing point of ice. And because the temperature is close to 0 or -2, the ice does not freeze over here. Now, depending upon the weather condition, you can actually play with these salts. For example, calcium chloride can be used for temperatures like -25 degrees Celsius, because the mixture of calcium chloride to water to form the solution is an exothermic process, and it creates little bit of heat which melts the ice. So calcium chloride is more often used as a better anti-freezing agent, and it is spread all over the roads and the sideways whenever it snows. And you can literally see them. You can see these crystals. These are actually crystals of those. These are not ice, but the crystals of those salts. There are some disadvantages of this salts as well. For example, if they mix with the soil, they can affect the quality of soil. If they go into water or in any lake or pond, they can affect the aquatic life over there. Also, if you try to put it on your cars, it is going to corrode your car. And that is why it is carefully put only on the roads and the sideways, leaving all the space around trees, spaces around water bodies, lakes, ponds. Like these salts are not spread over them, and nobody puts them on their car. They clean it manually.